Today, we're going to solve quadratic equations by using what's known as quadratic formula. Sometimes you can't factor. Yesterday, there was a couple of those where you couldn't factor. So, but instead of factoring, they give you this formula. Someone came up with this. It's negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You plug in those, right, a, b, and c, into this, and it tells you exactly where it crossed the x-axis. So this is how you solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Any questions? So we're supposed to solve x squared minus 12x equals negative 20. By using quadratic formula, the first thing I have to do is make 0 on one side. So I add 20 to both sides. All right, it's got to be equal to 0. Or you can't find where it crosses the x-axis. Now, we use quadratic formula, which x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, here is a, here is b, and here's c. A is 1, b is negative 12, and c is 20. So, negative 12 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is negative 12 squared, minus 4 times 1 times 20, all over 2 times 1. And what you do is you solve for it. So I'm going to erase some of this so we have some room to work. Okay?
144 minus 80.
Yeah.
So it should be negative 12 is 12 plus or minus the square root of b squared. Negative 12 squared is 144 minus 4 times 1 times 20, which is 80, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. 144 minus 80 is 64, which is 8. So we have 12 plus or minus 8 divided by 2. So what you do is you got to do both 12 plus 8 divided by 2 and 12 minus 8 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So those are your two answers. It crosses at 2 and at 10. Those are your x-intercepts. Solve 2x squared plus 9x equals 18. So first thing I do is get 0 on one side. Oh, yeah. Minus 18 equal to 0. And then I fill in my quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a, which is 2. 9, so I'm going to do negative 9 plus or minus the square root. 9 squared is 81. Then I do negative 4, or I do 4 times 2 times negative 18. 4 times 2 times negative 18 is negative 144. So minus negative 144, which gives you positive, plus 81. Is 225. All over 4. What's square root of 225?
What?
Square root of 225. You guys know? That's 625. 25 times 25 is 625. Square root of 225 is 15. So what we do is we do negative 9 plus 15 over 4. And then you do negative 9. I'm trying to make some room here. You do negative 9 minus 15. So let's do the first one. Negative 9 plus 15 is what?
6.
6, okay, 6 over 4, which reduces to 3/2. Then you do negative 9 minus 15 over 4. What's negative 9 minus 15?
Negative 6.
Negative 24, which what's negative 24 divided by 4? Negative 6. So there's your two answers, 6 and 3/2.